What if boosting your brain power was as easy as pressing play? Welcome to Genius Wave, your new secret weapon for mental clarity and creativity. Genius Wave is a digital audio program designed to stimulate your brain's theta waves in just 7 minutes a day. Imagine sharper focus, enhanced creativity, and reduced stress, all from a simple audio routine. But how does it work? Genius Wave uses advanced AI to craft perfectly balanced soundscapes, combining binaural beats, isochronic tones, and rhythmic sound frequencies. These elements sync your brain waves to the optimal theta state, known for boosting cognitive function and mental clarity. Why choose Genius Wave over its competitors? It's quick and easy, just 7 minutes a day. Plus, it's affordable and accessible, requiring only headphones and a listening device. Compared to other methods like meditation or neurofeedback, it's a hassle-free way to tap into your potential. User reviews are buzzing with positive feedback. Many report improved focus, heightened creativity, and better stress management. And while some skeptics question the science, consistent users swear by its transformative effects. So is Genius Wave the future of AI? With its innovative approach and promising results, it just might be. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Click the link in the description and unlock your brain's full potential today. Don't wait, transform your business with Genius Wave. Click now to get started.